Yes, Win Team, Precise Planning members, leaders. Good day to everyone. This is your coach, your mentor, Roger Ferrer Salinas, Precise Planning Manager here in Davao City, Philippines. A complete analysis of the Precise Planning platform mechanism. The first benefits. The EI system of the Precise Planning platforms has undergone a comprehensive upgrade and technological breakthrough. It is worth emphasizing that this upgrade brought together the world's leading EI development teams, including OpenEI and Microsoft from the United States, who jointly participated in the system's optimization and development. Currently, the EI trading system of Precise Planning can achieve up to 99% stability, significantly enhancing profit efficiency and success rates while ensuring transaction security. This technological innovation not only provides user with more robust income protection but also marks a substantial step forward for Precise Planning in the field of intelligent trading. Today, Precise Planning trading profits are higher and more stable compared before. So why people are care about their trading time? This is not a ban but a mechanism setting. In the Precise Planning Smart EI trading system, a trading time is a form of user entitlement that represent how long you are allowed to use the platform for trading. Many users may not understand this at first and mistakenly believe that their account is banned when their trading time is run out. But that's not the case. Instead, the platform has implemented a mechanism that requires users to continuously earn trading time in order to maintain fairness and active participation. Just invite, keep sharing, keep motivating, because Precise Planning will ensure its trading for more than 10 years, 20 years or beyond, because Precise Planning is now getting higher rate in trading time, at the same time in trading operation, which has the winning 99% in trading. That's good, and also an outstanding performance. So Win Team, Precise Planning, keep it up. Just keep sharing. Be a blessing to everyone, because sharing is caring. God bless and see you at the top.